is pretty not so hard. So we have to understand division. We have to understand division. I meant division, not division. Plural is also here too. The volume has to be 100% like every day. How many fish are in the tank? The answer should be 6. Correct.
24 divided by 4
equals 6. We are correct.
Write a division equation. How many sharks are there?
How many sharks? There's 8.
How many
There's
groups
8
are there?
sharks. How many groups? There's 4 groups.
Watch the sharks divide into equal groups.
Again,
How many sharks are in each group?
there is 2, so the answer should be 2. There is 2.
8
so the
divided
answer
by
should be
4
2.
equals 2.
Correct. Correcto. So
Write a
what's the
division
answer?
equation. How many seahorses are there?
How many? Should we just be like, nah, I know it's 100. 200. No! If you guess, you might be wrong. You have to count even when you know. It might be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. It might be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's too fast. 10. But it's going to say no. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, Olivia?
Yeah.
And then say it louder.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. Because you might be guessing 8. I see 8. But if you count closely, you're going to know the answer is 9. 1, 2, 3.
How many groups are there?
How many? Let's see. 1.
How many?
Even when everybody knows this answer. 1, 2, 3. So 3.
Watch the seahorses divide into equal groups.
Watch them divide. 3, 3, and then 3.
How many seahorses are in each group?
3.
There is 3, so the answer should be
9
3.
divided by 3 equals 3.
I love this app actually.
How many
Ready?
bushes are there?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Count the rest. Like 14, 15, 16.
14, 15, 16.
So is there 16 or 17?
16.
We got it correcto.
How many rows are there?
Glory, go eat your cookies. Okay. How many rows? There's only 2 rows. Not 23, I meant 2. Yeah.
Time to divide.
We're gonna...
How many bushes are in
I
each
think-
row?
Guys, I think we're gonna do 2 lessons past. So there's 1, 2, 3, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8.
16 divided by 2 equals 8.
Yeah, I might say 5 because I'm a pro at counting.
How many flowers are there?
How many flowers? I'm gonna meet you when I'm done. There is 21.
20.
Flory, are you serious? Go! I told you to go eat your cookies instead of just saying 21, 21, 21. I'm gonna smack you out of here. You know, yeah, Flory, finally you got a way to go fly to your cookies.
How many rows are there? Time to divide. How many flowers are in each row?
Count the flowers. Not all of them. Just count 1, 2, 3. The one top row, middle row, or bottom. Count them. Okay, count it, Olivia.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh, there's 7 of them. That's
21 divided by 3 equals 7.
7!
There are 20 trees. They need to be planted in 4 equal rows. How many trees should be planted in each row?
I'll meet ya in a psych. Actually, in a sec, not in a psych. Yes, we got it right, guys.
There are 15 flowers and 5 rows. How many flowers should be planted in each row?
Well, guys, why is the answer just 3? The answer's 3, huh? Yeah, stop laughing.
There are 24 bushes and 3 rows. How many bushes should be planted in each row?
How much should be planted? Yeah, how much? Flora, can just go eat your cookies and drink your water when you're thirsty? Or I'm going to send you to the pool with ducks that bites and that are poison.
Oh, never mind. I better run away.
Yeah, now go. The answer is 8. Not gonna lie, 'cause I can't fly.
Yeah.
There are 30 trees and 5 rows. How many trees should be planted in each row?
Okay, yeah, I'm not that scared. I'm brave of this answer. If I get this right, you better sub. Guys, the answer is, I think, 5. Now I'm just 30 divided by 5 equals. Guys, I think you better subscribe because the answer 6. Sub, because I got it right.
Yep.
I'm putting on my drum, guys. Do you like my new beat drum?
Which division expression does the picture show?
12 divided by 2. I'm almost done.
Which picture shows 8 divided by 4?
How am I supposed to know? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's this. 8 divided by 4 equals, I'm almost done.
Which division expression does the picture show?
What expression does this show, guys? So, it's your turn. Count all of them together.
Okay. 1.
Only count these boxes. These 3 boxes. Count them.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, so I have to count all of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it's 18 divided by 3.
Good job. Can I say good job if you want?
Which picture shows 10 divided by 2?
10 divided by 2
Whoa, that's
equal. Wait, 10 divided by 2. Good.
Choose the picture that shows a total of 10 trees being divided into 2 equal rows.
Oh yeah, this, how am I not that small, or this, I should be large. Beep, 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 this is the awesome.
What's next? Tap on the green arrow button to keep going.
So do we click continue, or should we
What's
just
next?
do this?
Tap on the green arrow button to keep going. What's next?
What's next? Tap on the green arrow button to keep going. What's next? Tap on the green arrow button to keep
18
going.
sharks are
What's next?
divided
Tap on
into
the
2
green
equal
arrow
groups.
button.
How many sharks are in each group?
You've been Snark, you could stay here. You're a good pet. But what do you want? If I never asked for you help or Plory, then you did. So yeah, what's 8 divided by 2?
9.
What's the answer?
Can I click the answer?
Yeah, you can click the answer. Do you think it's 9?
It is 9.
How do you know?
Cause I.
There are 9 sharks, and they need to
You
be
are
divided
completely,
equally into 3
really
groups.
smart.
How many sharks should go in each group?
What's the answer?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. Guys, my sister is pretty smart. She knows the answer, and the answer is 3.
How do you know?
Because I read your mind.
There are 12 bushes, and they need to be planted in 4 equal rows. How many bushes should go in each row?
Should go in each row. Well, then the answer feels pretty hard because we might do this for 12 mins.
I guess I'm the smartest one after school.
Guys, how about for the rest of the time? I'm going to tell you something very important first. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos. Look, my shorts, yeah, and then start a teleport. These are my collaborations. This is my second channel. I'm not letting you view all the rest of the channel, so. Yeah, I skipped it. So, 10 views, 16 hours ago, yeah. Then let's see. There's only 10 views.
Haven't you done that one?
Guys, view this video. View this one, view this one. View all of them. View this, view this, view this, view this. View all of these.
Even this, and this.
Okay, now we're gonna be doing a countdown. So please subscribe to my Krister's channel. Change this. Guys, I want this to be 299. And then after one is 299, make it 3,000. Look how much subscribers I have. Look at my channel.
I say please subscribe right now. Yeah. Please subscribe
Right now. Please subscribe
to this channel.
We are called Krister's channel. So, did a sub. Wait, did I just see a sub burn? No, I didn't. How much subs did we have again?
Wait, what color is that again? Black.
This color is blue. Black, blue, black, blue, black, white, and blue. Look. If this goes up, this is me as crazy. I'm just pretty crazy. No, I'm not searching anything like that. Sorry, guys. I don't lie. Yeah, I'm closing.
I'm going to school today.
Let's go. So, have you subscribed yet? I don't see subscription earn up. So, that means you didn't subscribe. Sub! I give up, so... Guys, we're going backwards 20 to 1 for kids. 20 to 1 for kids, yay. But before we do that, please, subscribe to Krister's channel and this. We need 3K subscribers. Wait, we're not going to watch this yet. What's this number? Wait, sorry. What's this number?
20.
What's this number?
19.
What's this number?
18.
What's this number?
17.
What's this number?
16.
What's this number?
15.
What's this number?
14. I cannot find
What's this number?
13.
What's this number?
12.
What's this number?
11.
What's this number?
10.
What's this number?
9.
What's this number?
8.
What's this number?
7.
What's this
6,
number?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay!
And yeah, white 1, 2, Now 1 minute. It's countdown time. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, I think
yes.
you kind of saw it already, but yeah, let's do it again.
57, 56,
Doop.
55,
Doop.
54,
Doop.
53,
Doop.
52,
Doop.
51.
Guys, this may not be exactly 1 minute, but it might be 59 seconds, but kind of 1 minute. This is a Google Drive video, so YouTube won't worry about anything. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, and 11, 12, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Did I say 1? Yeah, I said 1. Yeah, it was all red.
Mwah.
Did that mean we're in trouble? We need 3K subscribers. I think you kind of saw that. Subscribe to these channels. Yeah. So that means we have to say, guys, this is me as a teacher. This is me as a student. This is me as a principal. And this is me as a recess teacher. I almost forgot the name. This is me as a lunch man. One last new thing is, this is me as a police officer. I also take care of people that are bad. I should get my phone and then call the people. Look at the trees. This is another police officer. Yeah, and I'm police. And I just need to tell you one more thing.
You have to be an ambulance.
An ambulance. Ah!
Wait, that's me?
Guys, don't mind about that. That's just something scary. It's
What?
extra scary.
Let's go that way.